stress is just really how we experience the world. We don't live in a bubble, but that we're always interacting with the environment that we are in. And therefore, if the environment is more positive, then we're likely to be more positive. And if the environment is more negative, or if there's a lot of stress and challenges and changes, we're likely to feel more of that negative emotions or stress. I hope that you can answer them as well, right? So how many percent of visits to the doctors are for stress-related issue? And the answer is in between about 60 to 80%. I know it sounds really high, but this is also for cases where, sometimes people don't know that they're stressed. And this could be sometimes a migraine, a stomach ache, or even lower immune system. This could be a sign of stress-related issues that we face. That brings me right to what exactly is stress. And if we look into the scientific part of the stress is just really how we experience the world. We don't live in a bubble, but that we're always interacting with the environment that we are in. And therefore, if the environment is more positive, then we're likely to be more positive. And if the environment is more negative, or if there's a lot of stress and challenges and changes, we're likely to feel more of that negative emotions or stress. So stress is really just really what the body responds to in the environment. And part of that is having this adrenaline, okay, that is being produced for us to respond to stress, especially short-term stress, that we become more alert and focused. In a way, stress can be both positive or negative. So that's where this technology comes in. I'm going to share with you what is this aim to de-stress and where does this technology comes in. A is action. The first thing is more of knowing yourself, that having that awareness, spending time to know what's going on, to identify when you are stressed. I for interaction. Part of the reason where stress becomes a problem is isolating, avoiding people. One thing that we can absolutely help is to approach people for help or support. And the last one would be practice mindfulness. It is about this practice of being in the present, for us to spend time to be in the moment rather than skipping ahead to worry about the future. Okay, so we'll be doing some of the practice using the WISA app as well. I hope that you have downloaded the WISA app. So again, WYSA, do download the WISA app. Why am I promoting so much? Okay, so this is being promoted by the Health Promotion Board. If you go to mindline.sg, this is a tool, a site that provides you with all the tips and tools and resources in Singapore. If you're overseas, I'm pretty sure you can tap into some of these questionnaires and everything as well for you to get help and resources when needed.